This LG Slim Portable DVD writer and player has been a godsend for me over the last several years because it does two things that you should care about. One is media preservation, DVDs, CDs, some older medias like movies, TV shows, musics may be only contained on disc format. So having accessibility to play your disc is one of the best things that this does for you. And number two, portability and ease of use. This is connected via USB to my USB hub that goes to my computer. And this is an old CD, DVD drive for my computer that I no longer use. It's still here in case I really need to use it. It works. It's a big, heavy drive, and as time goes forward and the future goes forward, these things will no longer exist. Laptops no longer have CD drives or DVD drives. Computer towers that you buy pre-made no longer have these. And cases that you buy, PC cases, no longer have a space for a drive. This is where this comes in. It does play the things you need to play. This in particular CD and DVD, not Blu-ray, and is portable and light. You can see it's about the size of my hand. And this is a disc right here. This is a movie. We'll use this for example. Training Day DVD. We'll put it in here and see how it runs. So you can hear the drive spinning. It's pretty loud. Now on my computer, it shows up as DVD RW drive or read write drive. And Training Day has popped up on my computer. And here I'm using VLC player to play this disc. So you can hear the drive spinning. And for the purposes of this video, we will play the movie with no sound. And the movie plays off of this disc drive, this slim portable DVD, CD, DVD drive. It does its job because you never know. Sometimes you have that collection of DVDs and CDs you want to play and you won't have access to a drive player or a disc player. But one of these, you will have that plus the portability. So this has been awesome for me over the years. And I still like to have some physical media that I can access anytime. This does that job. And here you can see the beginning intro of Training Day is playing. No issues, no stuttering. It does its job very well.